To create a sitemap in Next.js, you have to create this file here. And here you would add your actual production domain. You can change the frequency, priority, and sitemap size, and the pages you want to exclude from the sitemap, right? And so once you do this, you add it to the root folder. I'm using the app router, so there's no source folder in here anymore, but you just add it to the main root folder of your Next.js app. So you add that file, and then you have to install. You do npm. You run npm install next sitemap. You do that. You let it run. You add this file. That order doesn't really matter. And then you have to make sure that in your package.json you add this line of code right here, post build, and then next-sitemap. And since you actually don't need the sitemap on your local, unless for whatever reason you want it, you can just push to GitHub, and depending on where your app is hosted, if that's Netlify, Vercel, I'm using Vercel, right, it'll run a build in there. You don't have to actually run or do npm run build here, because it'll get built once it gets pushed. So it'll automatically get created once you push live. And once you do that, you can go to the website, and then you can just do sitemap.xml. It'll give you the index. It always does that. And then you'll have the individual sitemaps if you were to have more than one. You're gonna have them here, and then in here you're gonna see all the pages that your website has. And that's how you create a sitemap with Next.js.